How's it going, gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Raj, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to deal with disappointing situations in life. Well, before we get to the problem and the solution of the same, I want you to understand this. Disappointments are an integral part of your life. In fact, disappointments are not something that should not happen in your life. In fact, it is something that should very much happen in your life every now and then, because it is an essential component of your journey. Whatever it is that you're pursuing in your life, or whatever it is, whatever kind of life it is that you want to lead, it needs to be built on a value system, and that value system demands learning. And trust me on this, there is nothing by far in life that will teach you more amount of lessons than disappointment will. Alright, एक और चीज़ समझ जाओ, बहुत जल्दी सीख जाओ लाइफ में, तो बेटर रहेगा कि लाइफ हमेशा एक साइनसोइडल वेव की तरह चलेगी, साइनसोइडल कर्व की तरह चलेगी. There are going to be highs, there are going to be lows. Some lows are going to be so minute that you won't even notice. It's just going to be tiny dips in life. Some lows are going to be you hitting the rock bottom. और बहुत खराब लगेगा, it's going to hurt like a bitch, but trust me, it's a good news. क्योंकि once you hit the rock bottom, the only direction you have now to go is upwards. अब इस पॉइंट के बाद जब पूरी दुनिया बिखर चुकी है तुम्हारी, अब इसके बाद सिर्फ अच्छा हो सकता है और होगा. बट देयर इज अ मेंटल ब्लॉक जो हर एक इंसान के दिमाग में आ जाता है, यू नो, व्हेन दे फेस सच सिचुएशंस, इज दैट वी एज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एज अ स्पीसीज, वी आर नॉट एबल टू बी कंफर्टेबल विथ चेंज. एंड चेंज इज बाय फार द ओनली थिंग दैट इज एक्चुअली इनएविटेबल इन लाइफ. एक कॉन्स्टेंट चीज होती है लाइफ में जो है चेंज. यू कैन नॉट escape it. You gotta embrace it. All right. What exactly is disappointment? Disappointment yahi hai ki bhai, there is in your immediate perception, there has something that has occurred. There is something that has occurred which has created some sort of negative impact in your life due to some alterations in your current reality. आपकी करंट रियलिटी में कुछ सिचुएशन में कुछ बदलाव आया है जिसकी वजह से कोई नेगेटिव इमोशन आपके अंदर आया और उसकी वजह से आपको चेंज महसूस हुआ है, जो चेंज आपको चाहिए नहीं था, और वो चेंज की वजह से डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आता है. बट बॉटम लाइन इज दिस, नॉट एवरी पर्सन एंड नॉट एवरी सिचुएशन इज गोना टर्न आउट टू बी एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू एक्सपेक्टेड देम टू बी. People change, situations change, life changes, life goes on. And the biggest irony with that is that the only thing permanent in life is its impermanence. The only thing that never actually changes is the fact that everything is constantly changing. And you got to embrace that change, my buddy. You got to be able to be comfortable with every change that occurs in your life. Because guess what? Life is going to throw you curveballs every now and then. और अगर तुम comfortable नहीं हो, अगर हर बार जब कोई ना कोई चेंज आता है तुम डिप्रेस हो जाते हो या एंक्शियस हो जाते हो या हैंडल नहीं कर पाते हो, और इफ़ यू नॉट एबल टू बी कंफर्टेबल विथ योर सेल्फ, इफ यू नॉट एबल टू बी साउंड ओवर हियर, life is gonna put you down pretty soon. It's gonna beat you up and you're gonna have to stay there. Alright? Because this world is a ruthless place to be in. Change is the constant reality that you're gonna have to embrace, buddy. इस चीज़ के साथ जितनी जल्दी पीस बना लोगे उतना अच्छा होगा. हर सिचुएशन में हर बार कुछ ना कुछ बदलता है. लाइफ ऑल्सो चेंजेस. यू आर ऑल्सो कॉन्स्टेंटली इवॉल्विंग. जब भी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आता है, जब भी डिसहार्टनिंग इवेंट्स होते हैं, यू नीड टू टेक दम just as that much. You need to take them as a turning point, as a point where you get to learn something, as an opportunity where you get to evolve and grow as an individual. That's it. बस उसके आगे कुछ सोचो ही मत. Because the more you think about it and more you try to figure out what it is, life is a mystery. Understand this. Life is a mystery. It is a fool's job to try to figure it out. Alright? And when change occurs, it is probably for the best. राइट. एक हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी का एक बहुत बढ़िया सा एक उनकी पंक्ति, एक लाइन है उनकी. हरिवंश राय बच्चन इज बेसिकली अमिताभ बच्चन फादर, ही इज अ पोएट. उनकी एक लाइन है, मन की हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और अच्छा. बिकॉज वेन इट्स नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर मन, it's happening according to some divine intervention, and that divine intervention, that divine energy will never think ill about you. It will never let anything wrong happen to you. And regardless of what happens in your life, change तो रहेगा. अच्छा चल रहा है तो वो भी चेंज होने वाला है, बुरा चल रहा है तो वो भी चेंज होने वाला है, खुश हो तो वो भी चेंज होने वाला है, दुखी हो तो वो भी चेंज होने वाला है. But the problem with this is that if you are dependent on your circumstances, if your happiness is absolutely hooked on to your circumstances and the nature of your circumstances, you are going to be at the mercy of life. You're going to always let life happen to you, and that is a terrible position to be in, my friend. If you always let life happen to you, life is going to screw you so bad, you're not going to be able to recover from it. Right? Never be at the mercy of the circumstances that you're in. Because what goes on here has to be in full control of you. If you are very much affected by change, if you are intimidated by change, there has to be some sort of major mindset shift that needs to occur immediately. Because there are a lot of things on your plate right now that needs your immediate attention, ASAP. And if you are afraid of change in this sort of situation, life is going to be tough for you, my friend. अब ये हो गया problem. I am going to give you some actionable solution to this. This is what I like to do. When change happens in life, and change which is essentially a disappointing one, a little negative one, when some sort of disheartening event happens in your life, throw yourself into a certain routine. This is what I like to do. Throw yourself into a certain routine. Make a routine for yourself, stick to it, be loyal to that routine, maintain your integrity with yourself. Because circumstances ने पूरी आपकी ऐसी की तैसी कर दी है. Circumstances आपके अपने हैं नहीं, ना आपके कंट्रोल में है, और आप उस चीज़ से अभी करंटली कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो. बाद में हो सकता है कि आपको रियलाइज हो कि ये इट ऑल हैपेंड फॉर द वेरी बेस्ट, बट the thing is right now you are not comfortable with it, and so you need to shift the pattern of the way in the way you live your life currently. This is what I like to do. I like to give stipulated amount of hours to every task in your day. In one day, give time, like say for example, give 1 hour to your research of what you want to do in life now, because this thing has hit you like a truck. What you want to do next is your research period, is what you want to do research about. Give 1 hour to that. Give 2 hours to your mental health and physical well-being. All right? Give 2 hours to your current responsibilities. अभी at immediate जो आपका ज़रूरी है, which requires your immediate attention, आपकी जो हाथ में काम है, उस चीज़ को 2 घंटे दो अपनी लाइफ में. 1 घंटा कंपल्सरी दो अपनी लाइफ को, अपनी एक दिन में, कि उस 1 घंटे में आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हो जो आपको पसंद है, which brings you happiness and peace. It could be anything. It could be painting, it could be dancing, it could be reading a book, it could be going out and taking a walk. Whatever it is that you're really passionate about, a hobby of yours, give time to that. Give 1 hour to that. Why? Because sometimes you don't really need value. Bring that kind of, manage your time accordingly. Actually, life is never going to be giving you time, absolutely free time to enjoy yourselves. Life is always going to throw you curveballs, like I said. So you're going to have to manage yourselves accordingly. 1 घंटा रखो जिसमें सिर्फ वो ही कर रहे हो जो आपको पसंद है, and it might not bring any tangible value to your life, but it is something that you love doing. Give your mind the space to act freely in that 1 hour. और this is something very important. एक दिन, हफ्ते में कोई एक दिन डिसाइड करो जब आप कुछ पर्टिकुलर टास्क नहीं कर रहे हो. गिव योरसेल्फ दैट चीट डे जब आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, but don't stay in your house, don't stay in a confined space. Go out, do whatever it is that you want to do. Go out, meet new people, go to new places, have conversations with strangers, improve your communication skills, look at how the world works, right? Go to different places. दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है बॉस, एक जगह पे टिके मत रहो. What this will do is it will give you insights about the world and how it functions. So that disappointment of yours, that disheartening event of yours will go into the background of your life. वो जो उसके लिए जो हो सकता है, that disappointment is very huge. That disheartening event has impacted you in a major way, and that might need some sort of healing to do. But let that healing happen in your background. अभी आप जिस स्टेज पे हो लाइफ में, you gotta make sure that whatever it is that you do, the graph goes upwards. If it goes downwards, तो वो जो चेंज आपकी लाइफ में जो रोल प्ले करने आया था, which is of improving you, which is of elevating you as an individual, वो रोल प्ले हो ही नहीं पाएगा. वो रोल को वो जस्टिस मिलेगा ही नहीं. जो चेंज आपकी लाइफ में कुछ करने के लिए आया था, आपकी लाइफ में जो चेंज आपकी लाइफ को बदलने के लिए आया था, वो आप बदलोगे नहीं. इनफैक्ट नेगेटिवली इंपैक्ट करोगे अपनी लाइफ को. It is all in your hands, brother. It is all in your hands. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट करते हो, it's all going to be on you. In my previous video, I said, clearly stated, that your life is 100% your responsibility. Nobody is coming to save you. तो अगर आप चेंज की वजह से इंटिमिडेट होकर आप अपनी लाइफ को छोड़ देते हो और किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जाने देते हो, मोस्ट पीपल इन देयर 20s हैव अ वेरी स्पोरेडिक रूटीन, a very erratic schedule, and they don't have anything that they are focused on. They don't really have something that they are deeply passionate about. And if that is the case with you, my friend, that is something that you really need to think about and really need to introspect on. Because if your energies are very scattered and you have no direction in life, change is gonna screw you so bad. Change is not gonna be the only thing that is gonna affect you. The world is gonna discard you immediately, because life only honors and rewards those who take complete charge of it. You gotta take charge, buddy. Change हुआ है, disappointment आया है, disheartening event कुछ हुआ है, take charge of your life now and start working towards whatever it is that is in front of you. एक आपकी प्लेट में, in front of your platter, there are some things that require your immediate attention. There are some things that require your attention in limited quantities only. There are some things that require your undivided attention. जब भी वो चीज़ करो तब पूरा undivided attention दो आप उस चीज़ को. वैसी कई सारी चीज़ें होंगी. तो once you push that disappointment in your background and let it do its job, जो भी healing व्हीलिंग जो भी है वो background में चलने दे रहे हो आप. Whatever it is that is in front of you, which are the important things, which are genuinely important for your long-term journey, that will receive your majority of attention. And that is something very essential to be done. And it's high time you do it, brother. It's high time you do it. Because if every time change screws you over and life pushes you on your knees and brings you to your knees and puts you in a situation where you are feeling absolutely vulnerable and you're not able to decide what to do next, bro, I don't think you're going to be ever going to be able to achieve the goals that you've set for yourself. And if you're on this channel, I am assuming that you have very high goals for yourself and you are very incredibly ambitious. And if that is the case, buddy, get back on track, pull up your socks, make it happen, right? It is very important for you to embrace that change. It is very important for you to be comfortable with that change. At the same time, don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't be too harsh on yourself. You don't have to make that routine, like I said, you don't have to make that routine very tight or very strict. Make it humble. Keep it humble. Give yourself the space to breathe. Allow yourself to grow, because visions and life is constantly going to change. You are constantly going to change. तो वो प्लान को भी accordingly change होना पड़ेगा बार बार. उस रूटीन को भी accordingly बार बार change होना पड़ेगा. But that's a dynamic that changes. Have कुछ भी आड़ा टेढ़ा छोटा मोटा कैसा भी बचकाना रूटीन भी हो, रखो. Because if you fix yourself in that particular routine, you will have a habit of working meticulously at everyday tasks. And that is a very important skill most people skip. This is a very important skill that you need to learn early on in life. To work in a particular pattern and not be uncomfortable with change while you're working. Because life हमेशा वो उतार चढ़ाव, like I said, sinusoidal curve आता रहेगा. अगर आप उसमें बौखला गए और आपने कह दिया कि भाई अभी तो मैं काम नहीं कर सकता, अभी तो मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, and you put everything on hold and you ruminate those thoughts and curse the situation, curse yourself, curse some other person, or curse God even. There are people who do that. And assume that life is like this, और दुनिया तो खराब ही है भाई, ज़िंदगी बेकार है, क्या ही कर सकते हैं, या मैं ही बेकार हूँ, या वो इंसान ही बेकार है, या सिचुएशन ही बेकार है, या भगवान ही बेकार है. ये सब आ सकता है और आएगा. और if you don't block these thoughts and change them and turn them into something positive, it is gonna eat you up and you're gonna spend the rest of your life blaming something external which has no impact in your life whatsoever. The only thing that actually has some true impact in your life is you and the decisions you make in this very moment. So I think embrace that change and start working on yourself. Make a routine, stick to that routine, be loyal to that routine, maintain integrity with yourself, because it will help you build your worth in life, in this world. And building your value system is very important. And for that, learning has to be a part of it. And वो learning सिर्फ disheartening situations से आएंगी. तो embrace that change, embrace those events, embrace those disappointments, let them come Let them hurt you, let them heal you, and then let it go, and then start all over again. Have a fresh start at life, and keep moving, keep going, and always keep a steady curve, upwards curve in your life, and keep a positive attitude towards life. I think that's about it for now. As always, I'll see you at the top.